does like, I don't know, a bunch of different things.
He wants to figure it out. It goes in
You can
here.
walk behind it.
Ready, right here. Ready? Look, it goes right there.
Woo!
See that? Put yours in. Put yours in.
Because I don't want to lose them.
Oh, this is how you detach the carriage right here.
Push it in. Push it in. Yay!
Wow! 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 It's got a book. It's got lights.
Man, this is so cool. And
Another one?
oh, look.
Santa, you got one in your other hand.
Wow! That's very good, Xander. Very
Trying to
good.
figure out where it went. He had to see where it was going.
Now let's do it.
That's harder than we thought.
See, they did go in there. They can go right on the sides.
Oh, no, this
See,
side
then when you
does.
plug it in, look at this. Look, you plug it in.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit like that, buddy.
Hey, you're straight out.